Mandarin ducks, a true marvel of nature, renowned for their vibrant plumage, with males showcasing a kaleidoscope of bright orange, purple and green feathers during the breeding season. However, as the seasons change, they undergo a molt, shedding some of their radiant hues and adopting a more subdued appearance, reminiscent of their female counterparts. These birds are known to be monogamous, forming lasting pairs during the breeding season, a bond that can endure for many years. In the rich cultural heritage of East Asia, Mandarin ducks hold a special significance, symbolizing love, fidelity, and good fortune. That's all for today, folks. Till next time, stay curious.